It's recording.
Doc, are you telling me it is 8:30 exactly? I gotta go. Hey kids, you rent a teddy bear and a chainsaw? Well great, now you can have both at the same time with the new chainsaw teddy bear. Somehow it's gonna be cool. Your child ever get a cut on their arm? Doesn't feel like taking care of it? Chainsaw teddy bear. Remove the limbs very quickly.
You know what? Teddy Chainsaw's always good for people playing out on the court, you know. Those bullies that get you, shooting those hoops up in there. Actually always making the shots.
I have the ball. Oh, what now? You suck! That's not what my friend Teddy Chainsaw said. Oh, God.
Oh, my phone's ringing.
I think it's for me, I'm sorry.
Oh, hello, Jill. Wait, you just sliced someone's arm off with a basketball court? Way to go! Chainsaw Teddy Bear, the official teddy bear of NASCAR.
What are you, William Shatner? Even though we haven't lost its face for so many days. Captain's log. Teddy Chainsaw rocks!
Oh. The school calling. Hello, Mr. Ainaja speaking.
Mr. Ainaja, I'm here to warn you over your son Billy. He cut someone's arm off with a chainsaw object today at recess.
Did it have a teddy bear on it?
Yeah, why?
Well, thanks to Teddy Bear Chainsaw, my son won't ever be bullied again!
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing with my chainsaw teddy bear? Dad, it's inside the teddy bear. Start damn it.
You're an idiot.
Okay, kids, you get your parents to buy you Teddy Chainsaw now, you get a free circular Teddy Chainsaw.
You also live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell them where it'll take ya, just live your life. Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life.
Never mind what haters say, ignore them till they fade away. Amazing they ungrateful after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way for you